Hello pa parts. Thank you very much for watching mga ano natin paparts sa Facebook at saka sa YouTube. Ito po yung guys, April month review ng YouTube. Pakita natin guys. Ito po siya. Here's how our channel did last month. Yung name natin na channel is Sir Parts. Ito guys yung most watched na video. Anong mas maganda, dollar na income versus peso na income. Ito yung most watched na video. Then ito yung uploads natin last April, 33 new uploads. So sabi niya, wow, great work, remember to keep your well-being in mind and establish a sustainable schedule for you. 33. So out of that 33 new uploads natin, nagkaroon tayo ng 642 na new subscribers, a total of 7,435 views and 3,018 minutes watched. Ito yung total performance natin last month. Ito yung shorts naman natin, 4,126 views, so 45 likes at 7 comments and 12 shares. So try natin, improve din natin yung shorts performance natin. Yan, for YouTube updates, meron na pong real-time quiz to your video. So yun. So maraming salamat YouTube, yung ating YouTube sa performance natin. Hopefully ma-improve guys, ma-improve po itong sa uploads, yung uploads natin ma-improve siya. Meron tayong 3 uploads per day. So kayang abutin yata yan yung improve natin tong 33 new uploads. And hopefully dadami pa yung subscribers at saka yung total views at saka minutes watch. So thank you very much for watching guys. So sa mga friends paparts natin sa dito sa may Facebook, so please support our channel na Sir Parts. Yun lang po, at maraming salamat sa inyong suporta sa atin. Thank you guys.